Hello everyone, welcome back to watchknitting.com. This is Fariba and I'm super excited to share my very own design of this elegant rib pattern. It's a unique creation that I have put a lot of creativity into and I can't wait to guide you through knitting it step by step. I've named it Regal Ribbing. Despite its look, it's super simple and fun to make it. Let's talk about the pattern. For this pattern, you will need to cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 2. The pattern repeats every 4 stitches and we have 2 edge stitches and we'll work it over 2 rows. Let's get started with row 1. For row 1, pick up the edge stitch. At the end of the row, I will knit the edge stitch. Row 1 is a repeat of purl 2, knit 2. It's like a simple double ribbing pattern starting with the purl. Okay, repeat purl 2, knit 2 across row 1. I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, now I'm at the end of row 1 where I end with 3 knit stitches, the last stitch being the edge stitch. Now on the wrong side, we will work our pattern. As usual, pick up the edge stitch. Then purl the first stitch. Then we're gonna knit into the stitch below. And for the next 2 knit stitches, work into the stitch below, but this time insert the tip of the needle from the back into the stitch below. Then insert it from the front into the next stitch. And grab the yarn from back. And put it on your right needle. Then knit 2 stitches together through back loop. And that creates the crown shape. Again, purl 1, knit 1 below, and insert the tip of needle from back into the stitch below and then from front into the stitch below. Grab the yarn and then knit 2 together. I will show this part slowly now. I'm gonna do my knit 1 below and then here I'm gonna do a little slower. I will reduce the speed. So insert the needle from the back into the stitch below, then from the front into the next stitch, and then grab the yarn and put on your right needle. And then we have 2 stitches that we're gonna knit them together through back loop. As you see, it's as simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be back soon with more stitch tutorials and knitting tips. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe for more knitting ideas. Feel free to send me your comments if you have any. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Happy knitting!